How do I update my CV when I hate my job? A CV is not a confession. It is a sales document. And right now, employers and systems scan fast. You have seconds to earn attention, so your CV has to work hard at the top. 5 steps. 1. Put your target at the top. Job title you want plus the niche. Example: bid manager, public sector, complex services. Or proposal lead, defense and infrastructure. 2. Add a 2-line value summary. What you do, who you do it for, what outcomes you create, not a paragraph. 2 lines. 3. Replace duties with evidence. Not responsible for bid submissions. Instead, led 12 submissions in 2024, won 8, total value £45 million. Use did this so that happened bullets. 4. Add a key project section, 3 mini case studies, situation, action, result. This is where bid professionals can shine because you already think in win themes and proof points. 5. Match the language of the advert. Not copying, matching. If they say capture management and you say bid leadership, you might get filtered out. Read the advert. Use their words. If you want help with this, you can join Scribble for free. We have templates, courses, and resources for bid and proposal professionals. Link is in the description.